Hi, today we got the Arduino IDE together with a WizNet Ethernet shield, and by using it with Arduino IDE we will make a HTTPS request. So for example google.com. So let's take a look how it works. So we are in Arduino IDE, the old one, and this is an example from a library called SSL client. So if we go to the examples, we can see here the library, and this is the basic example here. So the difference between this example and the other one is that I use here the google.com instead of arduino.cc. And how this works, you also have to modify the trust anchors, and right here you have to put in the certificates for the websites that you are going to use. So how to generate this we will see in a moment, but let's first of all open up the terminal. So I got the Arduino IDE connected to the Mega port, so the USB converter. So let's open up the terminal here and let's see how the google.com responds. So this is my address from DHCP from my router, and you get the response here. So let's take a look here. So this is the main request that we are doing after we got the SSL connection established. So it returns 200, so we got the page, and this is the content of the page. So you could just copy this into a HTML file and open it, and it will be the Google site. Okay, so how about opening a different site? For example, GitHub. So let's change this, and we have to add here the correct certificate. So for doing this, we have a site from the creators, and they have a tool here to add the certificate. So let's add here GitHub. Let's generate, and let's select this all, and we will copy this into our trust anchors header. So all and paste. So now we got two certificates for Google and for the GitHub. Okay, so now let's compile it and flash it to the board. Okay, so now let's open up the terminal and let's see the avalanche. Okay, so we got the whole page right here. Quite a lot of it, but we got all of it. So even the modern web pages you can just download using this method. Okay, but what about generating the certificates from our own resources, so without the page. So for this case, I will show you the setup in Python that is also provided by the creators of the library. So let's open up the folder with the needed files. So this is the file from the page from the creators of the project. So let's open it in Python. So right here we got the instruction what we got to install. So if you're running Windows, you can just simply type in pip install and then click. So this is the interface for the file. I got it already installed. Next on, you have to install the Python Open SSL, which I already did, and also the certify. So I got all installed, and in order to use this, we have to go to the location of the folder. So let's just copy this and let's paste it here. So cd paste. Okay, and now we have to invoke this Python file. So pycert underscore bar ssl dot. Okay, and now we have to type in download and our site. So for example, the www.google.com. And now we got the certificate in this file. So we can just copy the contents of this in here. You can also create this file by adding multiple sites, so not only Google, space, github.com and so on. It will be all downloaded to the trustanchors.h file. In this case, the certificates.h. Let's open this up. To confirm that this is the exact same as in the Trust Anchors. So as you can see, it is the exact same thing. So just you have to copy this into your H file here. So this is pretty much it. You have to remember to set up the correct pin for your Ethernet shield. So in my case it was the D10 pin, so it is used as a output, and it all works. So hope you find it useful in your projects, and see you in the next one.